With Lino 3D layout, positioning components in a layout works almost as easy as Lego. Find the component in the library, drag and drop it into the layout assembly, and you'll see all the possible snap points. Now just drag and drop it to the right place, let it snap, and configure the component, like here in the length. We control the conveyor belt type and decide on a roller conveyor and a certain conveyor belt roller diameter. This makes it clear that one component from the library can be used to create thousands of possible designs. Lino 3D Layout automatically assembles components in Solidworks, and it also adds 2 inner support feet for the selected length, because the technical rules are stored in the components.